I am at school. I am in America. I am on a bus. I am at a hotel. I am in a car. I am in a taxi. I am at the bottom. I am in the room. I am at the cafe. I am on the roof. I am at the market. I am at home. I am on the way. I am in a traffic jam. I am at the airport. I am in the office. I am at the station. I am on the train. I am on the plane. I am on the ship. I am in the garden. I am in the kitchen. I am in the bathroom. I am at the hospital. I am at the bank. I am at the library. I am at the park. I am in the classroom. I am at the bus stop. I am on the bridge. I am at the beach. I am in the swimming pool. I am at the restaurant. I am in the supermarket. I am at the gym. I am in the elevator. I am on the stairs. I am at the door. I am in bed. I am on the sofa. I am at the meeting. I am in the city. I am on the playground. I am at the cinema. I am in the queue. I am on the balcony. I am at the playground. I am in the village.